Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran, then subscribe to this channel. In a very short time, you will be able to read and learn Quran. Let's start our today lecture. Our today lecture is about Tanween and Harakat. Tanween and movements. We have read the previous part of this lesson in previous lectures. Today we will read from this word Ain Fatha A, Ba Fatha Ba, Aba, Sin Fatha Sa, Abasa, 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 stay, Abbas, Abbas. If you have noticed that Abasa is made from three letters Ain, Ba, and Sin. And all these three letters have Fatha sign. So A, Ba, Sa. A, Ba, Sa. These three letters, when A will join with Ba, it becomes Aba. Then Sa, Sin, Fatha, Sa, it becomes Abasa. Abasa. Similarly, all the remaining words will be made and we will read. Let's start again. Ain Fatha A, Ba Fatha Ba, Aba, Sin Fatha Sa, Abasa, Abasa, Abasa. Stay, Abbas, Abbas. Learn how a word is formed from letters. Let's read the second one. Ain Fatha A, Dal Fatha Da, Ada, Lam Fatha La, Adala, Adala, Adala. Stay, Adal. While reading Quran, if you stay at a word and that is written similarly, you will read there Adal, Adal, Adal. And if you continuously reading and not staying, then you will read it Adala, Adala. This is the point. Next is Ain Fatha A, Lam Fatha La, Qaf double Kasra Qin, Alaqin, Alaqin. While stay Alaq, Alaq. Ain Fatha A, Mim Fatha Ma, Ama. Dal double kasra din, amadin, amadin. While stay amad, amad. And this ain and mim has fatha sign, the movements, while the dal has tanween sign with double kasra. So we read it Amadin, Amadin. If you stop, you will read it Ahmad. Next is Ain Kasra I, Noon Fatha Na, Ina, Ba double Fatha Ban, Inaban, Inaban. While stay Inaba, Inaba. this word has alif at the end. This alif. So we will read it while stay at stay point. Also long. Inaba. We will not read it as enab because it has alif, and this alif will be read. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our lesson. The next lines of this lesson will be read in the coming classes. So practice it again and again, and also subscribe to channel. We will need in next period and next lesson inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.